have a bonus video. We're gonna restring this Resinsoul Ming. If we open up his head, we can see that his elastics are held up by a giant S-hook. My problem with this Ming is that his top elastic is too short, so his arms get stuck in this position. First, we need to remove this S-hook. That will release the elastics. Normally, I'd also remove his eyes for customization, but I don't want to right now. His hands and hooves are held on with tiny S-hooks. So we're going to remove his hands. This is sometimes easier if you put a dowel or pencil in the elastic to hold it. Then take the S-hooks off. I find this easier to do with pliers. A note! Resinsoul marks on the side of their dolls with these dots. That way you won't mix up the pieces. Remove his hooves and the hooks. Time to prep our elastic. I take the ones from the doll and measure them, and then double that measurement. For the short one, I added about 2 centimeters to have his arms a bit looser and less kicky. Once those are ready, thread them through the head and hook the knots on the S-hook. Trust me, it's easier than doing this one at a time. I only did this to show you guys how it works. Thread on the chest piece. Use pipe cleaners to protect your hands. You do not want to use wire on bigger dolls because it will tear up your hands. Take another pipe cleaner and split the loop in two, threading it into each shoulder. This is why you should thread both elastics through the head to start, because otherwise the head bobs around a lot. I just took it off for now. Think of the arm pieces as big beads. You just gotta put them on in order on the elastic like it's a thread. Make sure you do it evenly on each side to keep proper tension. When you get to the wrists, replace your sticks. Using pliers, replace your S-hooks. You'll notice my elastic slipped into the neck hole. That is a problem and easy to avoid by doing both elastics at the same time. I should have done that, but mistakes happen, it's good for y'all to see them. Slip his hands back on the hooks. Now you can carefully remove the pipe cleaners. And that's the top strung. Thread on the stomach piece. And do another split through the hips into each leg. Now do the same routine as with the arms down to the ankles. Replace your sticks. And say hello to my new cat, Maximus Aurelius. And then your hooks. Slip the hoops on. Let me tell you, this is the toughest BJD I've ever strung. Even my 77-meter boy wasn't this bad. Well, that was fun. I hope this helps. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!